So hi guys, it's your boy Symphonist right here again. I want to tell you guys how I took this loss. Like for real, I'm very hungry right now. Like taking this loss for me is just like me being so I'll say me being so I won't say selfish, but I don't know. I'm marrying my bias yesterday. So listen, what I did, let me just cancel everything and show you guys everything. What I did in about 2:30 p.m. Nigerian time. So I just had to go and look at what the market is doing. Do you know what confused me, guys? Only one thing confused me yesterday. One thing, just fucking one thing confused me yesterday. This 1 hour fair value gap was the one that confused me, and I was like expecting market to come into it and continue the the bearish momentum. So I went to 15 minutes time frame and I mark out when I'm gonna trade, the place I'm looking to trade from, what I'm saying like that. So and the 15 minutes time fair value gap is aligning with it. So I was expecting a bearish yesterday. So I just mark out the time, 10 a.m. New York time, 10 a.m. New York time till I basically want to just trade AM session yesterday to 2 p.m. New York time. I just want to trade this AM session yesterday. So what I was just waiting for in this stage is that I was just waiting for 5 minutes break of structure to the downside or to the upside. So in this case, I saw this. I went back to I went to 5 minutes time frame. Immediately my time has come in, and I saw this market taking out this what's it called? I saw the market taking out this London eye right here. I was expecting that okay, market has done a lot of things for me like that. I was expecting market to sell from there. Okay. I was expecting the market to just fucking sell from there. So when I saw this 5 minutes break of structure to the downside, understand? So I'll say I'm correct, but market just had to, disrespect me. So I saw this 5 minutes break of structure to the downside, which is this. The 5 minutes break of structure is very perfect for me. So I was expecting what the mistake I did yesterday is very, very simple. I was expecting a sell, and it's not in my time. Exactly my time, I've seen this break of structure to the upside. I should know that okay, the bias has changed, but me marrying my bias of this break of structure, it doesn't make me being able to say, okay, I'm gonna wait for this, I'm gonna wait for that. You know what I mean? This break of structure right here is the one that no let me respect this one. And it's not just one break of structure, it's two. We have another break of structure right here, we have another break of structure right here. Maka will give me higher low, and that higher again. Let me confirm it. So I did not do that. Instead, I was just expecting market to just, I was using this what's it called? This break of structure like this. So I was expecting the market that okay, the market is in a discount zone. So I was now looking for a sell around this level. So I was thinking this one is a liquidity sweep again instead of a break of structure. And I know that 5 minutes have closed above it. So I went to straight to my 1 minute time frame and look for my entry. It's just me marrying my bias, like thinking, okay, I know where the market is gonna go, and market has to go there. And that's what I'm saying. And market on booming. So what I see right here is just I saw this, I saw the market, like, the market giving me this inversion for value gap, but not closing below this one. So I ignored this one. And market came back up and closed up below this one, which my fair value gap is there like this. Market closed below this one. So I took myself from here straight away. And you guys know the funnest part. I was up 1 to 1. Like I was up 1 to 1 on this sell. I'm not gonna lie. Sorry, sir. Sir. So I was up I was up on to one on this chart. So I saw myself like, okay, if I was up 1 to 1, I had to know what to do. So after doing that, market hit my stop loss. But what I'm supposed to do yesterday, perfectly, what I'm supposed to do is on the 5 minutes time frame, after seeing that break of structure, what I'm supposed to do is draw my equilibrium back to the upside right here. Like for real. If I'm to use this one, I'm gonna draw my equilibrium back to the upside right here. This one, okay. But if I'm not even using this one, I'm gonna use another equilibrium, which is from here. I use the swing. So upside right here. So and I wait for it to come into the equilibrium, aligning with this 5 minutes fair value gap. Everything is just aligned, like fucking bro. So I might lose one trade and I'm gonna enter another trade. If my bias was to buy yesterday, I don't care if I lose one trade. I'm gonna like take another position, okay, to find out that okay, this market is gonna give me what I need. Just like that, guys. I don't really focus on like loss or something. So yesterday, let me delete this bias one. So I'm supposed to just wait for this. I would have taken my entry from here. I'm not gonna lie. I would have taken a buy from here for this close above. I would have taken a buy from here. I would have taken a buy from here, and my stop loss is gonna be below here, and I'll be up about. I'll be targeting Aisha with up about this place. I'll be up here and I'll hit stop loss. Okay. After hitting that stop loss, I'm very, very sure that I'm gonna take this buy again. This break of structure buy right here. I'm gonna take this buy again. I'm very, very sure about that. And this is the inversion favor look up right here. All aligned with this break of structure. I'm gonna take this buy again. And then I'm gonna tie the same place. And I'm gonna buy again from here. Immediately the market give me this, I'm gonna buy again. Stop loss is gonna be here. It's risk, okay? So I'm gonna just target I'm gonna just target these. There's a liquidity right here which I marked yesterday on 1 hour time frame. Let me show you guys the liquidity. The liquidity I marked yesterday. Yeah, this liquidity. I was expecting market to ride to this place yesterday, and market did so. So I'm gonna just target that place. You know, I'm going for 1 to 3, but I'm gonna target that place. I'm sure about that. Though. So I want to go back there. So I'm just gonna basically target this liquidity. Is even almost 1 to 3. That's 1 to 3.5. And I missed this, guys. I missed this entry, all because I've married my buyers. And I learned a lot from this. But let's go again tomorrow. I took a loss, and I pray it works fine for us tomorrow. So I want to show you guys my equity hedge account. This is equity hedge account. We are in 40% win rate. We are now down 1% yesterday. You know, we make almost we are up 1% day before yesterday, and now we are down right here. So it is what it is. We wanna go again. So you know what I'm saying, let us go again. So it's just $27 to risk today. I'm gonna risk this $27 to make either to make it 2% up, and if I'm back to break even, it is what it is again. Let's go.